What's up guys, Bandit Trader here. In today's video we're going to be talking about crude oil and inflation. As we may know, inflation is going up, gas prices are going up. If you go to the pump right now, you're going to be paying a lot higher. On our screen, this is going to be crude oil. So as you can see, it's been going nothing but up, and this year it's just been on the upward and up to the right. It's pretty much been just going completely higher. So I want to show you guys how I'm able, or anyone is able, to make some money off this move, and it's going to be with futures. This is going to be the platform that I'm using is Tastyworks. I do have code in the description if you guys want to try Tastyworks. That's what I'm using for options and future options. And right here, as you can see, we are in, if we go here, where is it? CL right here. This is going to be crude oil, as we could see here. Crude oil up here, futures. I have a few different options that I have here. So far it's contributing to the overall P&L for the day, 1500 for the day, pretty good. And this is what I have here. I have positions of it going up and going down, so it does benefit me either way it goes. So that's just one way of how I'm doing it. We can take a look at the graph just so we can go a little bit more in detail. So here I have crude oil, and I have positions at 80. I have positions, so it can't get higher than 80. So I think hopefully it doesn't get past there. And I also have positions at 67. So down there. So I'm pretty much playing both sides on it. If I can move this here, you can see here I want it to stay in this lane, and so far it has been staying there. So that's pretty much how I'm making some profit on crude oil and taking advantage of the inflation play. So yeah, just a quick video for you guys how I'm trading future options and futures. So yeah, make sure you guys comment, subscribe, and like the video. Take care guys.